Did you know that solar water pumps can help you save on electricity costs while reducing your carbon footprint? In this video, we'll explore what solar water pumps are, how they work, and why they're a great investment. What is a solar water pump? A solar water pump is an eco-friendly system that uses solar energy to pump water, providing a reliable water source in places without access to the electrical grid. Solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, which powers the pump. These systems often include a controller to regulate power flow, and some feature batteries to store energy for cloudy days or nighttime use. There are two main types of solar water pumps: submersible pumps, which go deep into wells or reservoirs, and surface pumps, ideal for shallow water sources like ponds or rivers. Solar pumps are widely used for irrigation, rural water supply, and even garden fountains. They're efficient, low maintenance, and a sustainable alternative to electric pumps, making them an increasingly popular choice for eco-conscious consumers. How does a solar water pump work? Solar water pumps are powered by energy from the sun, which is captured by solar panels and converted into direct current, DC, electricity. This electricity is then used to power the pump. There are two main pump types: submersible pumps, which are placed deep underwater in wells, and surface pumps, which are positioned above water sources like ponds or streams. When sunlight hits the solar panels, it activates the pump, drawing water from the source and pumping it where it's needed. For agriculture, this could mean irrigating crops. For households, it could be supplying water for daily use. The system is controlled by a controller that manages the energy flow for optimal efficiency. Solar pumps work especially well in areas where power grids are unreliable or absent. On cloudy days or at night, excess energy can be stored in batteries, ensuring consistent water supply even when the sun isn't shining. By reducing dependency on traditional grid power, solar water pumps are a smart and sustainable option, cutting down on energy costs while offering a more resilient water solution. Benefits of using a solar water pump: cost. Effectiveness. The most significant benefit of solar water pumps is the elimination of monthly electricity bills. Once installed, the system requires minimal maintenance, with the only cost being the initial setup. Over time, you'll save money on energy costs, making it a worthwhile investment. Sustainability. Solar-powered pumps reduce your carbon footprint by relying on clean, renewable energy. This is particularly important for off-grid locations, where traditional power sources may have a higher environmental impact. Off-grid capability. Solar water pumps are perfect for remote areas without access to the electrical grid. Whether it's a farm in a rural area or a household in a secluded location, solar water pumps provide a reliable water source without relying on the grid. Low maintenance. Unlike traditional pumps, which have many moving parts, solar pumps have fewer mechanical components, leading to lower maintenance and repair costs. This is particularly beneficial in remote locations where service may be limited. For example, a farmer in a rural area can use a solar pump to irrigate crops, ensuring a steady water supply without worrying about high electricity costs or unreliable power grids. Applications of solar water pumps. Agricultural irrigation. In areas with limited access to grid power, solar water pumps help farmers irrigate crops efficiently, reducing both water and electricity costs while boosting crop yield. Livestock watering. Solar water pumps ensure a reliable water source for livestock, crucial for animal health and productivity, especially in remote areas where fresh water is scarce. Residential use. For households in off-grid areas or those seeking a sustainable solution for garden fountains or ponds, solar water pumps provide a cost-effective alternative to traditional water systems. Commercial use. Small businesses such as ecotourism operations often use solar pumps to provide water for various needs, including drinking, irrigation, and cleaning. Solar pumps are also increasingly used in developing countries, where they provide clean drinking water to communities without reliable access to electricity or infrastructure. Factors to consider when choosing a solar water pump. When selecting a solar water pump, keep these key factors in mind. Water source depth. If you're drawing water from deep wells, submersible pumps are ideal. For shallow sources like ponds or rivers, surface pumps work best. Flow rate. Make sure the pump can provide the required flow rate for your needs, whether it's for irrigating a farm, supplying a household, or watering livestock. Solar exposure. The amount of sunlight your location gets will determine how much power your system can generate. Be sure to choose a system that suits your local climate and solar conditions. Pump efficiency. Opt for high-efficiency pumps that maximize the performance of your solar system. A more efficient pump reduces the size of the solar array needed, ensuring the system operates well even in areas with lower sunlight. For instance, a farm in a low-sun area might need a larger solar array or additional battery storage to ensure consistent water pumping. Challenges of solar water pumps. While solar water pumps have many advantages, there are a few challenges to consider. Initial cost. The upfront cost of purchasing and installing the system can be significant. However, the long-term savings on electricity bills often make this a worthwhile investment. Weather dependence. Solar pumps rely on sunlight, which can be intermittent, especially on cloudy days or in regions with low solar exposure. To address this, you can include batteries to store energy and ensure the system continues to operate when sunlight is scarce. Maintenance. While low maintenance overall, solar pumps do require occasional upkeep. Solar panels need to be cleaned regularly to ensure maximum efficiency, and the pump system should be inspected periodically for wear. In areas with inconsistent sunlight, it's important to plan the system carefully, possibly incorporating a battery bank to ensure reliable water pumping day and night. Solar water pumps are an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for a variety of water needs. Whether you're off-grid or looking to reduce your carbon footprint, a solar pump could be the perfect choice. It's important to plan the system carefully, possibly incorporating a battery bank to ensure reliable water pumping day and night. Solar water pumps are an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for a variety of water needs. Whether you're off-grid or looking to reduce your carbon footprint, a solar pump could be the perfect choice.